asparagus is done. Very soft, tasty, looks good. We're just gonna rinse out some microgreens. I already started rinsing these and just gonna rinse them a little bit longer. Hot water. There's a little bit of debris to the bottom, but that's okay. It's all been gone clean with no salt. Not to worry, just give it a little bit of rinsing. I've rinsed these every single day when they're drying. Alright. Now, you just throw microgreens in there. Along with the delicious asparagus. You already taste it. I taste it now. So remember, these microgreens are from both lentils and non-greens. So you should have diverse amounts of protein from this mix. Leave it to cook for a while. A little bit of ginger powder. Okay, I was gonna put a little bit of masala powder. Garam masala. Decent amount in the corner. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna use a little bit of turmeric. I always use these two. We have, how would you say that anti-cancerous? I'm not so sure. Let's not forget our salt. I honestly like the asparagus. I taste it without salt. Already taste it. I'm trying to be low sodium. A little bit of frozen oregano. A minute. Let's not burn anything. This has been frozen. It was going in a pot. There. Fresh oregano that was frozen. I just put it with the whole stem. These are the flowers. Just a little bit. I'm not going to cook it too much, so I don't need to put that much water. Very healthy, very natural. Very green. High in vitamins and protein.